This is going to be a video tutorial on how to access the hidden settings in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To access the hidden settings, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the address bar. You want to put your mouse cursor in there. You want to erase whatever's there. And then you want to type Chrome //flags. Hit enter. And on this page that it takes you to, at the very top you have a search bar. You could search for particular settings. Off to the right you have a reset all button. Down below that you have a couple of tabs, available and unavailable. Down below that it says careful, these experiments may bite. Warning, experimental features ahead. By enabling these features, you could lose browser data or compromise your security or privacy. Down below that, it has hundreds. You could scroll down through them. It has hundreds of settings in here. If you find one that you want to change, like say this pin board, I wanted to enable it, you go to the button off to the right side, click the drop down. I would click on enable. And then you would go off to the lower right hand corner and you would click on relaunch. That is how to access the hidden settings in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.